Chris, aka my dad, bought me this car, which is a piece of garbage. Look! Look how bad that is.
I know, what a nice dad. Buy you a piece of junk, huh? But why do you like this car?
Because it's pink and it runs and drives.
That's right.
And I mean, they are kind of reliable cars.
Neons are actually pretty good cars.
So yeah, this is...
It's got the hole in the roof. The roly-polies, which are broken because neon windows suck. But that's going to get fixed.
Don't worry.
The nice fog light wiring that I'm ripping out because it's garbage.
The interior is pretty nice, too.
It's got a Billy bus seat. Get on that Billy seat.
Oh, no.
Get on that seat, Tony. Get on that Billy seat. Bounce on the seat so good, Billy bus. So comfortable.
It's actually kind of comfy.
That's good. It's got
So
the...
comfortable I can almost pee in my pants.
Oh no, don't pee your pants.
I won't.
Doesn't have the fold down rear seat because it's the base model. I didn't even look in the trunk. Does it even open? Oh, it opens. Holy crap.
Let's see inside.
Holy shit, look.
What?
There's some stuff in here.
Oh,
We got...
whatever that is. Well,
That's an oil pump.
oh wow, it's the oil pump. Okay.
Maybe it's had a timing belt service done then. There's a nasty old tie rod end.
But question, why would I keep that stuff there?
I don't know. So this is what breaks on these. This is broken too. This is the window track. And this piece snaps. So I have new ones coming.
Yeah.
It's got... Does it have all of them? That's the driver.
There's me on it.
The back. It's pretty beat up, but it has all the original floor mats.
Alright, cool.
We
What's
got...
that shiny thing?
I don't know. Got some ghetto-fied speaker wiring here. Jesus
We should
Christ.
cut that off.
I'll be redoing all of this.
Yeah.
That goes in the front. The windshield.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Spare tire, gone.
Not there.
So, well, the original floor mats are there. We'll have to take them and wash them. So that's cool. It's a Belvedere made unit from Strandquist Motors in Rockford, which is gone. It's got the Pink Panther on it.
This sticker used to say a cuss word. It said F you.
Yeah, we had to take that off because, you know, children.
Anyway.
It's got these aftermarket wheels. That's the gas door.
Wiki.
Yeah, someone didn't install this properly. So we'll...
I think it needs to be out more.
I think what happens is this actually goes on the outside of this lip.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Yeah, we'll fix it. Somebody tried and failed.
Failed.
Got the rust here.
Yeah.
We can take that and get it fixed if you want.
Yeah.
The passenger
There is
doors.
a rust spot down here too.
There is, and both fenders at the way bottom, both rusted off. So we'll have to.
They're gone. They're dead.
Yep. That's okay. It was cheap.
Yeah, it was cheap. It was $700.
$700 for a running driving car.
That's it.
Now, for how long is another story. I don't think it would last very long without us fixing it. So,
Can I go first?
yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
Single overhead cam, 2-liter 16 valve, power steering and AC. I don't know if the air works, probably not. The power steering pulley is Wobble City. Oh, well, actually, yeah, you see, needs a new pump.
Yeah.
So,
If you start it, you'll see like this going.
and the most dangerous thing I noticed so far
Is that?
is this wire. So this, I don't know what somebody did, but
Like,
when you would run the car, this started to get hot. You could actually see it melted the handle on the battery. So, not good.
yeah, not good at all. That is not good.
So we got to pull this tray out because the thing that's wrong with the car the most, besides the wire, is the kick down under here is stuck. So the car shifts when it wants instead of when you want it to. So that's what we're going to fix. So we found some worn through insulation on this harness. We're going to tape that up. And here's the kick down. Gonna start soaking it. Mmm.
Ooh, urine. Looks like urine to me.
It's PB Blaster. You know what hillbillies call it?
What?
Panther piss.
Ew, that's gross.
Panther piss. Goes with the Pink Panther. Panther piss, oh boy. Look, it moves now.
Hallelujah!
Yay! Alright, I got a new battery cable. They don't make them with the 2 openings here, but thanks to Mr. Delta, ground a chunk out of this so it'll actually fit on and up and actually secure properly. Well, better than it was. Better than finding a obsolete battery cable from Chrysler. You know, it was just a day or 2 ago, or maybe a few days ago now. It was like in the 70s and not this shit. This is the good packing snow. Like if you want to make a snowman or snowmobile or whatever winter bullshit you want to do, it's the right stuff for that. But I mean, people already had their classic cars out, or their, you know, sports cars, their motorcycles, and now we're back to this. Fuck you, winter. You're a bitch. Lovely day for a K-car cruise. Not really, the weather sucks, but the heat works.